Wait a minute. Before I continue, did you subscribe to my channel? Go ahead. Subscribe now. I'm waiting. Do 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 do. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And by the way, give me a like too. Yay! Yes.
Feels so right. It almost feels wrong. The Hyundai Getaway Sales Event. Get 0% APR plus 0 payments for 90 days or 1.9% APR for 72 months.
Cooking tacos. Well, the meat for the tacos. You can't cook tacos. You cook the meat for the tacos. So I'm cooking meat for the tacos today. Today is Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. But I'm also cooking ribs. They're in the oven. I'm about to take those out. And I also have steaks in the oven. But while I was at the grocery store, I forgot to buy the onion. And I like onion on my steak. I like onions on my steak, and I like steak sauce. So I have the steak sauce. We have the steak sauce, but I don't have the onion. Oh boy, don't have the onion. And I gotta hurry up and chop this up. I should have got the meat chopper. I don't know why I didn't get that. Why didn't I get that? It's right here. It's right here. Gotta rinse it off. Rinsing it off, folks. Alright. I know it sounds like I'm in the shower, right? The water runs so hard. Okay. It's clean, but you know, when you get it out the holder, you want to rinse the dust off because it's been sitting there. You don't want dust on your food. I gotta hurry up because I gotta get those ribs out the oven. I gotta get those ribs out the oven right now. Right now. I got these string beans can be turned off. Oh boy. Just wanted to stir those a little bit. All right, time to take these ribs out. Actually, usually my husband takes these and puts them on the grill, but he didn't have time to do that today. Him and his friend are at the tractor parking lot fixing something on the I don't know if the outside, inside of the tractor, so I couldn't wait for him to get home and say, oh, can you put those on the grill? I've only grilled something once in my life. Oh my goodness, did I use this for? Oh my goodness, that was for the string beans. This is for the ground beef. All right, let's check these ribs. They're good. So they're just gonna sit right here on top of the stove. I still have the steaks inside the oven. You're probably wondering why are you cooking so much food? Because I'm not cooking for the rest of the week. I'm not cooking for 4 days, that's why. And this is what I do every week. I cook it on Tuesday, eat it on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Yes, I do. You got something to say about it? Say it. Don't bother me none. This is the way we do it around here. Everybody has their way, right? Everybody has their way of doing it. Some people cook every night. Fabulous. Some people do not eat leftovers. Fabulous. But around here, we eat leftovers. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's done every week. The same way. I cook different meals, 3 different meals every Tuesday. Every Tuesday. So this week is steak, baby back ribs, hot dogs, and because I had already taken this ground beef out because I wasn't sure what I was going to cook this week, I said, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and make taco meat with this. I don't think I need this light on, do I? So it's 4 different, but tacos, they don't fill you up. So tacos is like a snack. And yeah, I have to wash this watermelon and cut it. Cut that. So I'm going to strain the meat for the tacos. Strain that. And put the taco seasoning on top. Stir it up. And then, you know, the tacos always have to go in the oven before you eat them. You gotta it's not preheat, it's not pre-cooking, is it? It's just warming them up. Just warming them up. They go in the oven for like 7 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure that this ground beef is done. You don't want to see any red spots because I'm not eating those half-done ground beef. No, no. I see some redness over here. So I use the McCormick original taco seasoning. And I also purchased the sour cream, the lettuce, tomatoes. Well, we already had tomatoes, but I bought the lettuce, sour cream, and some more taco shells. We had taco shells over there, but I felt that they were too old. And I had taken them out of the original box, so I didn't know how old they were. So I had to throw those out. So I had to get fresh shells. And this time I got the shells that stand up on their own. They stand up on their own. So I know you can't see me, but you can see the beef line. I'm still here. I'm still here. Okay. I believe that's all done. Let's take it off the eye and drain all the oil off of it. Now I want to cut the tomatoes up for the tacos. And I really shouldn't have it on this table because it's kind of wobbly. So let's just try to not wobble the table. All right, next, let's cut the lettuce. The lettuce for the tacos. And there you have it, beautiful people. All the contents for the Taco Tuesday. Bye. Let's go bring in the trash cans. Let's go bring in the trash cans and check the mailbox. I hope the recycle has already come because I only want to do one trip. Get the trash cans, get the recycle can, and check the mailbox. Right? Right.